Hello movie lovers, Bob for Bob's Movie Review here, and today I'm bringing my unboxing of Yellowjackets Season 1 on DVD. This one will be available for purchase July 19th, 2022, and was sent to me for review by CBS. Yellowjackets does include DVD. Includes exclusive special features. The best new show on TV. Here's a look at the spine. It does have the CBS logo in the bottom corner and the Showtime logo in the top corner. Your next TV obsession. A thriving high school girls soccer squad is left stranded in the northern wilderness after a plane crash and descend into savage clans where survival becomes even more important than the team. Starring Melanie, Lynskey, Tawny, Cypress, with Emmy nominee Christina Ricci, and Oscar and Emmy nominee Juliette Lewis. Watch every intense episode of the psychological thriller in this 4-disc set, including never-before-seen special features. Riveting, absolutely spectacular. Top of our must-watch list, wildly addictive. Special features, Yellowjackets, The Female Lens, and Yellowjacket Favorite Moments. This one is not rated. Has a runtime of 9 hours and 35 minutes. Does include English 5.1 and English SDH subtitles. Here is a side-by-side look. If you have seen this one, love your thoughts down in the comment section below. Let's check out the inside. So inside we have 4 discs, and they do have the episodes printed on each disc. Disc 1, Pilot. F Sharp, The Dollhouse. Disc 2, Bear Down, Blood Hive, and Saints. We do also have the episodes listed behind the discs with a little synopsis of the episode as well. Disc 3, No Compass, Flight of the Bumblebee, and Doom Coming. And then Disc 4, Sick Transit, Gloria Mundi, and special features. I hope you did enjoy the video. Where you can find more information, click the links to purchase Yellowjackets down in the description below. I will be reviewing this one soon, so be sure to watch out for that. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, gently touch that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.